Okay, David, you have to wait for 15 minutes, okay? Yeah, you're okay. Wait first and then car, okay? Car. Car. You can do it. I will get your food. Okay, you will eat your breakfast in the car, okay? After 15 minutes, we will go to the car. Wait for Mama, okay? I love you. Yeah. Okay, I will get your food, your water. You're okay. Where's your water, David? Where did you put it? Ooh. It's your water. Sit down, David. Sit properly, please. Sit properly, son. Thank you. Love you, David. Love you. Sit properly. Sit properly, David. Wait for Mama. Sit. Thank you. I love you. Wait for Mama, okay? Wait for Mama. I will get your water and your food, okay? After 15 minutes, we will go for a car road trip, okay? Wait for Mama. I love you. I love you. David, sit down. You need to sit and then we will go for a car. Road trip. Yeah, sit down. Sit. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Please wait for Mama. I love you. I love you. Yeah. You're okay, David. So you're okay. Almost done, okay? Almost done. I get your water. You're okay. Please wait. You're okay. You're okay, my love. You're okay. Sit down properly, please. Sit properly. Sit. Sit, my love. Sit. Sit properly. Sit, please. Sit down. Sit down, David. I'm preparing your food. Sit down. Sit properly. Get your neck. I love you. You're okay. I love you. You're doing a great job, son. Wait for Mama. You have 11 minutes, okay? Thank you. Where is your food? I will get your food. Go back. Go back to your seat. Go back to your chair. Yeah, to your chair. You're okay. You're okay, my love. Wait for Mama, okay? Wait. I love you. I love you. Wait for Mama, son, please. I'm getting ready, okay? Wait. Wait, my love. You're okay. You can do it, okay? Wait for Mama, please. Wait for Mama. I love you. You can do it, my love. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. You still have 10 minutes, okay? And then we will go for a car road trip. Yeah, okay? You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. Yeah, I love you. Sit properly, please. David, sit properly. Sit properly. Sit. Sit properly. You are laying there. Sit properly, my love. You can do it. I love you. Sit down, please. Thank you. You're okay. You're okay, David. You are okay. Yeah. You are doing a great job, boy. Yeah. I love you. Sit properly. Sit properly, my love. Sit properly. Give me that. You need to wait. Give me. You need to wait. Sit properly, please. You're okay. You're okay. You can do it. You can do it. You have 8 minutes, okay? I love you. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? I love you. Thank you. You can do it, son. You're okay. Okay, I will get some your water. Mama's bag. Oh. And then water. I'll give you water, son. You want to drink? Okay, there's your water. Not yet, son. You still have 5 minutes. 5 minutes, my love. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. 5 minutes more, okay? And then we will go to the car. I love. Can I have a kiss? Can you have a kiss? Can you have a kiss? Can you have a kiss? Thank you. You can wait, okay? You can wait. can wait, son. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it, my love. I love you. You can do it, son. You can do it. Yeah. You have 3 minutes. Oh, you can do it, son. 3 minutes more, okay? 3 minutes more, and then we will go for a car road trip, everybody. Woo! I love you. Do you want to drink water? No? Okay. You still have 3 minutes, son. 4 minutes. You can do it. You can do it, okay? I will get you ready. Get there. You have food. You have water there. And then I love you, David. I love you. You can wait, son. Yeah. Love you, David. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. No, David, sit down. Thank you. Thank you. 3 minutes more. I love you. You can do it. We will wait together. You have 2 minutes. Let's wait together. 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. And you're a heavy boy. 2 minutes. We will wait for the timer. Okay? You can do it. Love you. You want massage? I want massage, massage, massage. I love you. Yeah. 2 minutes. You can do it. You're okay. You're okay. You want massage? I'll massage your foot. Yeah. You're okay. 1 minute. Look, 1 minute. Yay. Almost done. Almost done. I will get your shoes, okay? I will get your shoes and we will get ready, okay? 1 minute. I will get your shoes. You're okay. You're okay. You get your armpit. I love you. Sit properly, please. You are okay. 1 minute, son. Look, you're okay. 1 minute more. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. I love you. We can do it. We can do it. I love you. You're okay. I love you. You're okay. 1 minute. You're okay. Oh. You're okay. All done. All done. I will get your shoes, okay? I will get your shoes. We'll go for the car road trip. You're okay. You're fine. I love you. You're okay. Let's go for the car. Go for a car road trip. We go to the car, okay? Car. Okay. You're fine, my love. You're Yeah. Okay, son. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Mama is here. Oh, sorry. Oh, no. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, son? Yeah, Mama. Mama, oh, no. This will be alright. You're okay. You're okay. We will go. You're okay. This is the car. We will have a car. Yeah, you're okay. You're okay, my love. Okay, son. You did a great job. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Wow.